Ford announces a return to Formula One for 2026, partners with Red Bull.
Yeah. Big news in the F1 circuit.
Partners with I don't know if you heard of Red Bull. In F1.
Verstappen.
They are smoking. They are the team to beat. Is that correct, Will?
Yeah.
The team to beat. And who was the previous partnership was Honda, right? Honda, Red Bull. Now you got Ford in there. I like it. I think this is good. I think it's good all around. Good partnership all around.
Yeah, they had a really inspirational video. I don't know if I can play it, but
you're going to play it anyway?
There was a lot of tears, a lot of
some
lineage,
throwbacks.
some history.
Nostalgia.
The grind.
I hear you. Oh, tears, Will.
Yeah,
you can't give me the tears like that. The dad left. You can't give me the tears. He got to go to another race. Will, don't hit me like that.
Yeah, it's very...
wow, the Ford bag working at Ford.
Yeah.
Whoo, you talking about heritage, Will? Damn, let's go win a race. Okay, now, listen, I got to watch this thing.
Yeah.
Ford has confirmed it's going to return to Formula One in 2026, joining forces with world champions Red Bull. How do you even cut a deal like this? I love the business behind the scenes. The handshakes. Can I find out about this? Which show is following anybody right now? I need to see the back. I need to see the back rooms, not the ones you think I'm talking about.
Apparently, Honda is really shifting towards EVs. They don't have time to work with Red Bull. That's where the rumor's gone right now. So Ford is kind of stepping up and helping out.
Your rest in peace, Ken Block, though.
Yeah.
Did you see that stuff?
I think I heard about it. I read about it.
Yeah. Just brutal. That's a legend when it comes to Ford and, just driving, racing in general. I realize we never talked about it, but I used to grab the popcorn for the Gymkhana videos. Like, no problemo. Anyway, the deal will see Ford team up with Red Bull's recently formed engine company, Red Bull Powertrains, which is based at the F1 team's factory in Milton Keynes, England. England? Who am I? It's because I didn't like the word Keynes. I was like Milton Keynes or Milton Keynes.
Okay. Yeah.
And so then that brought me to England instead of England, and everything got thrown off completely. Already working on a power unit to meet F1's new engine regulations for 2026. Like, imagine that. They're already working on 2026 stuff. They're getting ready for it. Ford's involvement has been labeled as a strategic partnership and will provide expertise in areas including battery cell and electric motor technology, as well as power unit control software and analytics. Red Bull decided to set up its own power unit facility in 2021 after current engine supplier Honda showed uncertainty about its long-term commitment to F1. It's funny that this team is at the top of the game, top of the heap, and Honda's like we're busy.
Yeah.
A little bit busy. And it's like, guys, we're crushed. We're everything. Anyway, it's very cool. Shout out Ford. Good luck with all that. I can't wait.